Hi everyone, this is my photosynthesis working model and it shows how plants makes their own food using sunlight, water plus carbon dioxide. So let me explain how this photosynthesis working model really works. In this plant we have a green leaves that contains a pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll helps the plant to trap the sunlight from the sun. The roots of the plant takes the water from the soil and leaves absorbs the carbon dioxide from the air through tiny holes called stomata. Now using the energy from sunlight and plant mixes the carbon dioxide and water inside the leaf to make a glucose, which is kind of a sugar, that is the food for the plant. At the same time, oxygen is released into the air as a byproduct which we humans and animals need to breathe. So in short, plants make use of sunlight plus water plus carbon dioxide plus glucose plus it is going to release oxygen. This entire process we call it as a photosynthesis.